What's up everybody, it's Andrew Cuts here. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Selfcut system. I had a lot of people asking me if they could see what my setup is for when I do my self haircuts. So I'll show you guys what my setup is that I've been doing, that I've been using, and then we'll unbox the Selfcut system and get that all set up. So guys, depending on if you've been keeping up with all my videos and stuff, you'll notice my setup is kind of different depending on where I'm at. So this is my basement. This is where I've been cutting hair since I've kind of been stuck in the house and whatnot. So my setup's pretty simple. I got this big mirror on the wall in front of me. I got a light to the left of me, a light to the right of me, and then I have this mirror set up on my chair here so that I can move it a little bit. So as you can see, it's pretty far away from the actual mirror, so really not ideal. But if you see, this is kind of what I see when I'm cutting my hair. I can see myself, I can see the fade here, and then if I look in this other mirror, then I can see the other side of my head here. So not a great view. The lighting kind of varies depending on how I stand, how I position them. So I'm really excited to get the Selfcut system set up and give it a try. Just one more thing, if you don't have a chair like this, you don't need one. You're gonna want to have some kind of way to move your mirror. So you have any kind of swivel chair that moves, or maybe you have a mirror that you can adjust. It's really important to have mirrors that can move so that you can get the best view of your head. So guys, as some of you know, I've been cutting my hair for a few years now. I really just got into fades the past like 2 years probably, and I've always thought about getting this, which is the Selfcut system. It seems like a great product. I've never used it before. I thought many times about buying one, but I kind of just always made do with what I had lying around the house and just made it work. So it's always been a dream to get one of these, especially have them send me one. So it was really cool to get one from them. Excited to get this opened up here. Give it a try. This is what it looks like when you open it. You got like a nice message here, and then the next thing we got here looks like some kind of outlet, probably for the lights. I think this thing does have lights on it, which is a really cool feature. And these look like they're for the door. You can hang this up on the door. Wow, this thing is nice. Look at the size on that. Close up, you can see the LED lights at the top. It's got the 3 panels, they all move. And it folds up real nicely. If you want to put it in like a backpack or something, you could just carry it real easily. If you compare it to like something in size, it's probably the size of like a laptop. Pretty lightweight too, so definitely easy to bring place to place if you travel a lot. Here's a backside view of it. As you can see, there's 2 little things on here that are going to hook onto those holes there. So we can go ahead. I'm going to put it on the highest setting just because I'm pretty tall. Now that we have it hung up, you can go ahead and open it up. As you can see, this thing it's pretty big. It's got good size to it. These things move really smoothly. The mirrors are crystal clear. So the last step in this process is going to be to plug this in to work the LED lights. So I just went ahead and unboxed the Selfcut system. I got it all set up, as you can see right there. I gotta say, I'm really impressed with this thing. It looks even better in person than it does in the videos that you'll see. It's got like the perfect amount of size to it. It's not too big, it's not too small. I have a lot of good things to say about it, and I haven't even used it yet, so I'll be doing a more in-depth review and giving you guys some footage to work with once I start doing some tutorials with this mirror. Thanks for watching. If you guys liked the video, please leave a like, and be sure to subscribe, as I got a lot of new content coming out, and I'm looking to do a giveaway once I hit 5,000 subscribers.